Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to pay for checked bags with American Airlines. This is a really useful feature because paying online before you get to the airport not only saves you time by skipping the check-in line, but it also gets you the best price available for your baggage fees. Let me walk you through how this works. First, you can pay for up to 3 checked bags per person before you even arrive at the airport. You have the option to pay during your initial booking or later when you check in on a.com or through the American Airlines app, as long as this feature is available for your specific trip. The payment window opens within 331 days of your flight and stays open up to 2 hours before your scheduled departure time. However, there are a few situations where you won't be able to pay for bags online. If you're waitlisted standing by for another flight, or if you've experienced a flight disruption and haven't confirmed your new flights yet, you'll need to handle bag payments at the airport instead. Now, here's an important detail about pricing. When you pay for bags online or through the app, you receive the best price available. Charges are calculated based on standard bag sizes for flights per person each way. If you're checking more than 3 bags per person, those additional bags must be added at the airport, and oversize, overweight, or excess bag charges may apply depending on what you're bringing. There's also a nice feature for groups traveling together. If you're traveling with other passengers in a single reservation with multiple bags, you'll all receive the best online bag prices when bags are selected for each passenger. Just keep in mind that other special bags with specific charges, like cabin pets, still require payment at the airport. What happens if you need to change your flight? In most cases, your bags will automatically carry over to your new flight. If they don't carry over, American Airlines will refund the fees as trip credit, which you can use toward a future flight or bag payments on a.com or the app. You'll just need to pay for checked bags on your new flight. Regarding refunds, American Airlines will promptly and automatically refund you for delayed or lost checked bags if you filed a mishandled baggage report. The time frame depends on your itinerary type. For domestic itineraries, it's within 12 hours of completing the last segment. For international itineraries where the nonstop flight duration between the US and the international point was less than 12 hours, it's within 15 hours. And for longer international flights over 12 hours, it's within 30 hours of completing the last segment. Trip credit is also available in certain situations. You can receive trip credit if you cancel your flight on a non-refundable or non-changeable ticket, including basic economy. You'll also get trip credit if you want to refund your fully refundable ticket, though the ticket itself will be refunded while bag fees return as trip credit. The same applies if you change your flight and your bags cannot be carried over to your new trip, or if you buy an upgrade that includes free checked bags. However, there are situations where refunds aren't available. You won't get a refund if you simply decide not to fly, change your mind about needing the number of bags you paid for, or get an upgrade that includes free checked bags. If you believe you've been incorrectly charged for bag fees, you can contact American Airlines for help or file a refund claim within 45 days. And that's everything you need to know about paying for checked bags with American Airlines online. It's a straightforward process that saves you both time and money. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.